Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get the perfect foundation base for your makeup. So if you're interested in how to make your foundation last all day long without showing up any kind of dark circles under your eyes, then keep on watching. This is gonna be a really good tutorial. Welcome back! So the very first step that you need to do in order to have the perfect foundation base is to moisturize your skin with like 20 minutes before doing your makeup. So for that, I already did moisturize my face earlier because it takes about 20 minutes so it can get into my skin. For moisturizing, I'm always using the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm. I just feel like this is working the best for my face. It's just water-based and it's easier for the skin to absorb it. You can move on straight to step number 2, and that is primer. For today, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Original Photo Finish, and I'm just gonna take a little bit, nothing too crazy, just so I can fill in my pores with and make sure that the foundation is sticking perfectly. So my next step is actually a lifesaver when it comes to dark circles because it hides them so freaking well without any extra touch-ups during the day. So what it is, in fact, is actually a concealer. So yeah, I'm going to apply concealer before the foundation. Basically, you're creating a smooth base for your foundation to stick on, and you can apply as much as you want because at this point, it doesn't matter. Okay, after I do this, I'm going to take a beauty blender to blend this in. Okay, so now the concealer is done, and then we can move on to foundation now. For today, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the shade 210N, and I'm gonna use the beauty blender to put a few pumps of the foundation on and then straight away applying to my skin. So what I do is basically just spread it across my face, and then I will start to blend. This is just to make sure that you are evenly distributing the product over your face. So now I'm just gently pushing the product into the skin, making sure at the same time that I'm not creating like a really thick base, because a thick base means that you are most likely gonna look like a cake face and you don't want that. Okay, so at this point, after you blended your foundation into your skin all over your face, then you can decide if you want to go on with a few extra pumps. If you don't, then move on to the next step. If you do, then just repeat the first thing. I'm going to move on to the next step, which is again concealer. Okay, so now that you have the foundation on your face and the concealer on your face as well, so you don't see those dark circles at all, then all you need to do right now is set it. You're gonna go and take your favorite setting powder. In this case, I'm gonna use the MAYY setting powder and just set your under eyes with not too much product. When I say just a little bit of product, you don't need to see any kind of powder residue under your eyes when you are tapping the brush. This is just to make sure that the powder is not over exaggerating your existing fine lines under the eyes. Now that you have your under eyes set, what you need to do is set your face. So you're going to take a really big powder brush and you're going to go in the powder, okay? So this is filled with powder. So that goes straight on your skin, and now you are just going to tap in that powder and take some more if you feel like it's not leaving enough powder on it. Don't worry if you are going to look a little bit, well, dusty, because that's not going to stay there as soon as you're putting setting spray. You have the whole face set. You are just going to take off the excess of powder from the brush and take all the excess off your face, if you have any. And then you're gonna take a setting spray of your choice, whatever you want to use. I would prefer something like fine misted because it's going to blend into your skin better. So I'm going to take my MORPHE x Jeffree Star Collaboration Spray and I'm going to spritz it all over my face. And don't be scared to go in with a setting spray because you have a lot of powder on your face. You just need to have it set basically to enter into your face and sit there for the entire day. So what you need to do is just use loads of powder, but take it off. Of course, it's like all over face baking. Take it like that. And then set it with a setting spray and just wait for it to dry. Okay, so those are all the steps that you need to do in order to get the perfect foundation base, as you see, all day long. So I can promise you this is going to stay on your face for the whole day with minimum touches, like literally minimum. This depends, of course, if you have like oily skin or combination skin and your nose tends to break out or create more oil during the day. That's fine, you can use a little powder, but for the rest of you guys who have like let's say dry skin or just normal skin, then this is untouchable for the whole day. The trick with the concealer underneath the foundation is so worth it. So just make sure you try it at least once. You're not gonna regret it at all. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial about the foundation and your perfect base to go underneath your makeup. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell down below so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video. And also don't forget to join me on Instagram at Ammunition. Until next time, thanks for watching you guys. Bye!